Hi, I'm Matt. Coffee's hot. Let's talk about the hard questions. Firsty's neighbor was doing errands and grocery shopping for him after his stroke, but it became too much for her. For someone who lives alone and no longer drives, that changed everything. Like many older adults, he's not going to easily ask for help, but when informal help disappears, everyday tasks can become dangerous. Over 90% of older adults want to age in place, but most homes are not built for it. The question isn't, does he want help? It is, can he stay safe without help? What can we do? Don't wait for your loved one to ask for help. Start the conversation now. Offer specific help. Can I send you support once a week? Contact a care provider for a needs assessment before safety declines further. I'm going to finish my coffee. For further tips or to explore care options, visit us at our website, rightathomeNSC.com.